subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has announced two new smartphones under A series in the Europe called Galaxy A02S and Galaxy A02S. Among these two smartphones, the Galaxy A02S is the most affordable phone under this series. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy A02S features a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 13-megapixel primary camera along with the 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Galaxy A02S comes powered by an unnamed octa-core 1.8 GHz processor, which is believed to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts fast charging through a micro USB port. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A02S has been priced in the Europe at €150 and it will be available for purchase in the country starting from February next year in black, blue, red and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A02S smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.